तो वॉवेल्स दो प्रकार के हैं, मोनोफ्थोंग और डिफ्थोंग। अच्छा, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड किसको कहते हैं? व्हाट आर द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द prevention, obstruction of any part of the mouth, from the teeth, from the tongue, from the lips, etc. Pa, ba, they are obstructed from the lips. Ta, they are obstructed from the teeth. In this way, consonant sounds are those which comes out after obstruction of some part of the mouth. They are called consonant. And vowels are those sounds which comes out from the lungs without any obstruction of the part of the mouth, any part of the mouth. They are called vowels. Now vowels are of two kinds, monophthong and diphthongs. Monophthongs are 13, while diphthongs, vowels are 12. Vowels are 12 and diphthongs are 9, and consonants are 24. In this way, there are 45 sounds in English language. 45 sounds in English. So, mind it well again, according to Christopherson has defined vowels as well as consonant. He defines vowels as vowels are the voices, sounds in the production of which there is not obstruction of the air. And pronunciation of consonant is also defined by Christopher. According to P. Christopher, a consonant may be defined as a sound in which the movement of the air from the lungs is obstructed as a result of narrowing, a complete closure of the air. This is defined by